The design process. I began with the curved waves from the studio logo. Sonia Deloney's abstract designs inspired me to add more colour and rhythm to the design. Ways to cut tiles. Practice cutting with tile snips. Use a tile scorer to cut straight lines. With tile snips, you can shape individual tiles. Fill in the design with cut tiles. Prepare the tabletop. Seal the surface with a bonding agent. Repeat the design onto the table surface. Applying your tile adhesive. Mix 1 cup of water to 3 cups of adhesive and then stir. Use a tiler's trowel to form ridges with the adhesive. Place the tiles onto the adhesive. Mosaic the tiles. Lay the tiles level to keep the table surface flat. And leave to dry overnight. Grouting the mosaic. Brush off the excess adhesive. Mix 1 part water to 3 parts grout. Mix the grout to the consistency of melting ice cream. Spread the grout to cover the mosaic. Then leave to dry for 30 minutes. Scrape the excess grout off into a bucket. Use old newspaper to clean off the remaining grout. Clean the mosaic with rags and sponges to finish the surface. Edging the mosaic. Mix some grout into a paste. Mould the grout to form a clean, straight edge. Leave the grout to dry. Enjoy the colours for years to come. Thank you for watching.